Hi, this is Trisha from blogherway.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add video chapters to your YouTube video. In order to have video chapters, you'll need to add a timestamps to your YouTube video description. So you can do this when you are first uploading your video, or you can do this after you have uploaded your video and you can go back and edit the description. But in order to add video chapters to your YouTube video, you'll need to, like I said, you'll need to add some timestamps. So for this example here, to have it actually show as video chapters on your video, you need to start, the first timestamp needs to start with 0000, and then you can just title it your introduction, and then you'll need at least 3 timestamps for this to work, and then for each of those chapters, they need to be at least 10 seconds in between each designated timestamp. So with that in mind, just kind of keep that in mind there. So I'm going to go ahead and add some additional timestamps here. So for this video on 3 affiliate marketing tips you should know as an Amazon affiliate, we have one thing I talk about is how to organize your Amazon affiliate links with Trello. And then the next one is at 5 minutes, 36 seconds, I have how to use SiteStripe to get your Amazon affiliate link. And then we have another timestamp here. It's going to be how to link to a custom list of products on Amazon. And then finally, I have one for how to create native shopping ads on Amazon. Okay, so like I said, the first one needs to include kind of the start of the video, just set at 0, and then you'll need to include at least 3 different timestamps. So in this case, I've got 5, and then the minimum length between each of the timestamps needs to be at least 10 seconds. So after this video's all uploaded and ready to go, I will show you what that looks like. Now that I have uploaded my video to YouTube, I can show you what these video chapters actually look like. So on the video, what you'll see is these different, along the bottom, you'll notice these kind of markers where it divides the video. And then when you hover over that, it will give you kind of the name of that chapter and then the time, and then you can click to the next one. You'll see again the name and the time, and then it just kind of shows you just the different parts of your video that you have used a timestamp for, and it just is a visual way to divide your video up. The user can see where a specific section begins and where it ends, and it's just a user experience tool. Video chapters allow your user to find the part of the video that they're most interested in, and it's just kind of a nice little feature that YouTube has that allows you to see what that video is about. And so consider using this with your YouTube videos, using the timestamps feature, and remember to be able to make the video chapter actually show up like it does here, you need to start that timestamp with the 0 timestamp in order to have these video chapters show up. If you don't include that 0 timestamp, you'll still have these timestamps here in the description, but you won't necessarily get this video chapter visual showing up on your video. Thank you for watching this video on how to add video chapters to your YouTube video. Be sure to like this video, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel where I share helpful tech tutorials on how to run your blog and business. This is Trisha from blogherway.com. See you next time.